What's up guys, this is your boy JaaM Javed. Welcome to my channel Crazy JaaM. This is Bot and this is Coke. So in this video I am going to present this young buffalo. So let's see in the video what is going to be happen. My lovely. Yeah bro, yeah. You can drink it. guys, he is crazy. He is crazy. He is even not drinking it. I guess he didn't like the taste of Coke. It means he thinks that this is for the man, this is for the guys, this is for you guys. Come on, one more try. Guys, bro, just drink it. No, he's not going to drink. This is not working, bro. This is not working for this young buffalo. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.